I'm through with standing in line. The clubs I'm never getting. It's like the bottom of the ninth, and I'm never gonna win. This life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be. Got a brand new house on an episode of Cribs, and a bathroom I can play baseball in, and a king-size tub big enough for 10 plus me. Goodness, I forgot the words to my favorite song. Bedroom man, I'm gonna join the mile high, 37,000 feet. Done. I got a new tour bus full of old guitars. Star on Hollywood Boulevard. Somewhere between Sarah and James Dean is fine for me. Gonna trade this life for fortune and fame. I'd even cut my hair and change my name. I wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop pop. 15 plus, girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. We'll all stay steady cause we just won't eat, and we'll hang out in the coolest bars like Bowstring. Let's go! Johnny with the bleach blonde hair. Hey boy, Bonnie with the bleach blonde hair. Hey, I wanna be a rock star. So I threw a remix with the Bowstring and messed it all up. I wanna be great like Elvis without the tassels. Fire 8 bodyguards, I love to beat up assholes. Sign a couple autographs so I can eat my meals for free.